Hello to everyone. So today topic is factor affecting stability of complex. This topic is from MSc first year and first semester in organic chemistry. So first we will discuss two steps. First, nature of metal cation. Nature of metal cation. And second one is nature of ligand. Nature of ligand. In first, we will discuss nature of metal cation. It depends on three quantities, that is first is charge of metal cation, second is size of metal cation, and third one is electron acceptor property of metal और electron activity भी इसको बोल सकते हैं. So electron acceptor property. So today we will discuss nature of metal cation and their three types: charges, size, and electropositive property. In next video we will discuss nature of ligand. So first we will start with charge of metal cation. Charge of metal cation. We know having some elements or some compounds, oxidation state is higher. These compounds are H2O, NH3, Cl negative, Br negative, I negative, X negative. These having high oxidation state, so it have high charge on metal cation. Higher charge on it. And if higher oxidation state having these metals, so compound will more stable. Compound will more stable. On the other hand, we will discuss whose compound having oxidation state is low but have more stable compound. Having low oxidation state like carbon monoxide, biophenyl, Cn negative form more stable complex as the stable complex with metal ion in lower oxidation state. As these ligands have vacant pi molecular orbital. For accommodating the lone pair of electron for back bonding. That is clear. For back bonding, it accommodates the electron. Now, second factor is depend on the size of metal cation. The size of metal cation. The size of metal cation for a given ligand, the metal of same oxidation state having the stability is increased with the decrease in the size of metal. If size of metal decreases, then stability of metal will increase. So we can write here the general trend is the general trend for increasing the size here Va2 positive, S2 positive, Sr2 positive, Ca2 positive, Mg2 positive, Mn2 positive, CO2 positive, Cu2 positive, Zn2 positive. This trend is studied as Irving series. Here size is increased left to right, so stability is decreased left to right. That order size positive ion increase. Here positive ion is increased this trend. Next, third one is electron acceptor property of metal. Here, in which we will discuss high electropositive metal, second less electropositive metal, and third one is borderline metal. Now in high electropositive metal having small size compound and high oxidation state, and the outer electron are not distorted. It includes alkali metal, alkaline earth metal. Lighter transition in higher oxidation state is called hard acids or metal. For example, lithium, potassium, barium, calcium, strontium, and all aluminium, gallium. Here is the high electropositive electron. Now second is less positive electron. Here metals are less electron, they have relatively full d orbital. They form stable complex with ligand 2 accommodate the metal ligand bond. This complex is convert metal is called high, also soft acid. It is called hard and soft acid. Now for example, copper, argon, gold, cadmium, mercury, platinum 2 positive, platinum, etc. Now in the third, borderline metal is, they include divalent metal ion of 3D series like magnesium, manganese, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, and the stability with Irving series. Here series is increase the size and decrease the stability. Thank you.